Hello and welcome to Tech-Table Tutor. Today we are diving deep into all the powerful lookup functions in Excel. From the classic VLOOKUP to the advanced DGET, we will cover them all with real-world examples. But before we begin, do me a quick favor, hit that like button and subscribe to Tech-Table Tutor if you love learning Excel in a simple and fun way. It really helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated to make more videos for you. By the end of this video, you will be able to confidently use VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, LOOKUP, index match and even DGET. So let's jump right in. VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP helps you find a value in a table by searching vertically down a column. So let's find the salary of employee ID 102. Type the formula equals to VLOOKUP, open bracket, 102 is the value to search for. Select the range, the data range A to C4. 3 is the column number because salary is in column 3 and false for exact match required. After entering the formula, you will get 55,000, which is Neha's salary. HLOOKUP, the horizontal version. HLOOKUP searches for a value in the first row and returns a corresponding value from a specified row. Here, we will find math score of student B. So we will type the formula equals to HLOOKUP, open bracket, type math is the lookup value, comma, table array A1 D3 is the entire data set, row index is 3 as student B is in row 3 and false for exact match. Result 88. So student B scored 88 in math. Next we will move on to the XLOOKUP function, the smart lookup. XLOOKUP is a new and improved lookup function in Excel. It can search both left and right, making it more flexible. Here our goal is to find the price of laptop. So we will type the formula equals to XLOOKUP, open bracket, type the search value which is laptop. Now select lookup array where we search the data, comma, return array. It is the column to fetch result. We will get the result 50,000. XLOOKUP is more powerful than VLOOKUP and can search in both directions. Next is lookup function, the classic one. Lookup finds a value by searching in a column or row and returns a corresponding value. Here, our goal is to find the bonus percentage for a sales target of 4,500. Type the formula equals to lookup, open bracket, lookup value is the 4,500 is the value you want to find in the lookup vector, comma, select the lookup vector is the column where Excel will search for the closest match, comma, result vector, the column from which Excel will return the corresponding value. Since 4,500 is not in the table, lookup selects the closest smaller value which is 3,000 and returns 5%. Lookup always finds the largest value that is less than or equal to the lookup value. So the final result is 5%. Next is index and match function, the power duo. Index and match together are more powerful than VLOOKUP. Here, our goal is to find the name of the employee with employee ID 102. So we will type the formula equals to index, open bracket, select the column from which we need to retrieve the value, comma, match function, open bracket, type 102 is the value we are looking for, comma, select the column where we search for 102, comma, and 0 for the exact match required. Since match return row 2, index picks the value from row 2 in column B, which is Neha. Final result is Neha. Now let's end with something unique, the DGET function. DGET retrieves a single value from a database that matches specified criteria. Here, our goal is to find the price of laptop in the tech category. So type the formula equals to DGET, select the database, the full table with column headers, type in the quotation mark price is the column from which we want the value, and select the criteria, the range containing conditions, laptop in column product and tech in category. So the final result we will get is 50,000. DGET only works if there is exactly one match. If multiple rows match the criteria, Excel will return an error. So today we covered all lookup functions. Which one do you use most? Comment below. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to Tech Table Tutor. Turn on the bell icon for more Excel tips. See you in the next video.